Hello and welcome back to the Elvis Uke Challenge, where we are learning 10 Elvis Presley songs in 1 month. The goal is to just practice our ukuleles every day and to do it together. So first we worked on Can't Help Falling in Love and we had a picking pattern. So if you haven't done that one yet, I will link it down below. And today we're working on Devil in Disguise. There is a free printable for you. You can download it, save it to your device, print it out, whatever you like. I'll link it down below as well. For this song, we'll need chords F, D minor, C, and B flat. If you haven't mastered B flat yet, then I recommend you try this pattern or look up here. Try it further down the fretboard where the frets are closer and the strings are easier to push down. And just walk your way down. And if you're more of an advanced player, but you teach others, have them try this little exercise and that will help a lot with the B flat. This song has different levels, so if you're more of a beginner, give me just a down strum every time you see a chord and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're beyond that, give me the down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And if you're ready for a challenge, you can do the island strum. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And I know I have some people here who are beyond that. So for you, I have a really cool picking, strumming combination. You're going to pick on G string, fan strum, that means open each finger individually, and then up, down, up, pick, fan up, down, up, pick, fan up, down, up. And that sounds really cool. Okay, so let's look at the chords in the pre-chorus. The singing notes are right here. You look like an angel. Okay. I'm not going to do the singing just yet, but you can do the singing. But I want to say the chords as we're doing them. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. F. Again. 2 more Fs. Last one. B flat. 1 more. Then a C. Strum and stop. 2, 3, 4, and then we would go into the chorus. So let's try this section again. You can do it. Breathe. That's better. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last F. Bonus tip for so when you're at the B flat, look up, look up, look up. If you scoot this shape down 2 frets, so look at how I'm doing this from B flat. This is a C, so if you want to have like a nice slide sound, you can do that. B flat and slide up 2 frets. And then you don't have to mute with the right hand because you can just release the fingerboard hand and you'll get that mute sound. So let me play from the B flats. 1, 2, B flats, go. Look up if you want to try this. And it just sounds so cool, right? Okay, so let's go to the next section. Now we're at the chorus and the chords that you need are F and D minor. And you're just gonna bounce from the F to the D minor. 2 Fs, D minor, again, back to F, D minor. That's it. That's it. The trick for the chorus, though, there is a little bit of a catch, is that it's fast. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. I'm not gonna play quite this fast for the tutorial because we're all learning the song. We're not like performing the song here. But here's a little tip for strumming fast. Sometimes when I have students, they associate fast and loud. And they also associate soft and slow. So fast doesn't mean loud. And when they try to play fast, look at my hand, their stroke is too wide. So you're gonna have to stay a lot closer to the strings, and that'll make you faster. Down and up, down and down. So like try to have a really small range. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then on your ups, don't think that you have to hit all the strings every time. You can just hit 1 or 2 strings on the up, down and up, down and down. So work on your speed for this one. We're not gonna do it as fast. So let's try the chorus chords. 1, 2, this speed. 1, 2, F chord, ready, go. Back to F chord, D minor. Yeah, that's it. Let's try it again. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, play with joy, go. D minor, back to F chord, breathe, D minor. Yeah, nice job. All right, now we're at the verse, and for the verse, the first section is just 4 F chords. So 1, and we're keeping the same strumming pattern that we had from the chorus. So give me 4 Fs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 Fs. Go down, down, up, down. 3, 4. Perfect. Now go to D minor and give me 4 of those. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 D minors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And now the next line, we need 2 Fs and 2 D minors. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 Fs. Ready, go. 1, 2 D minor. And now the most challenging part of the song, fingerboard wise, we have a B flat and then a C. B flat and C, depending on how you're gonna do it. And for this, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, and then go back to an F with a stop. So again, B flat, down, down, up, down, C, down, down, up, down, F. So that's tricky because it just moves pretty fast. So let's try just B flat, C to F. 1, 2, a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, stop. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, stop. Okay, good. So this B flat, C to F, that little bit is actually the intro to the song. So I didn't start the lesson with the intro because I knew we would have to do this and just, you know, we would learn it already with the song. So let's try and play through the entire verse and include that B flat to C movement. Okay, so let's start with the 4 Fs. 1, 2, play with joy, go. At this point, you've learned all of the sections of this song. Things just repeat here and there, like pre-chorus, chorus, verses. So let's take a little breathing break. And we're gonna do a little baby play along of intro, pre-chorus, chorus, and verse. If you would like a full play along from beginning through the entire song, you can have that on my Patreon page. So Patreon is a website that allows you to support creators like me, and in exchange, we give you things. So for my Patreon members, I like to create extra PDF pages and extra videos. So all the Patreon members are receiving 10 additional videos this month. They're all the play-alongs to the tutorials that I'm doing here. So thank you, Patreon fam. And if you'd like to support the channel in any other way, leave likes, leave comments, share the tutorials on your Facebook pages or anywhere that you can. That helps a lot as well. Okay, so we had a little break. So we're gonna do our intro down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. 2, 3, 4. You look like an angel. Okay, that's gonna be how we get into the song. Okay, get ready on that B flat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. You slow down. Go. You look like an angel. Walk like an angel. Talk like an angel. But I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh yes you are. Devil in disguise. You fooled me with your kisses. You cheated and you schemed. Heaven knows how you lied to me. You're not the reason. 2, 3. Congratulations on finishing tutorial number 2 for the Elvis Uke Challenge. Please, if you are recording yourself and sharing your covers somewhere, tag me. You can share them on our Facebook Ukelandia community. So Ukelandia is a private group and it's just a bunch of us who are on our learning journey sharing videos. You'll see that there are really no content creators posting videos on there. It's the community. And the community also started a magazine. So we have the Ukelandia magazine and it's all the community members who write the articles for it. It's the cutest thing. We also have a thriving Instagram community. My Instagram account is Plazzy. You can tag me. I would love to see you playing and use the hashtags Ukelandia and Elvis Uke Challenge so that we can find each other and go look for your other like Ukelandia members who are also posting. In this video, I've been playing a solid mango tenor ukulele from Ohana and I replaced the strings to Worth Brown Low G. I just love the sound of low G, especially for a challenge like this one. I'll link it down below, but you can find it at ukelandia.com. These are currently selling like hotcakes. So yeah, you can get yourself a solid mango. They also come in the pineapple shape. I might use it for a future video because it's really, really adorable. Alrighty, I'll see you for lesson number 3. Use these next 2 days to practice this song. Doesn't matter how far you get, just meet us at lesson 3 and then try to learn that song too. I promise you at the end of the month, you will be so much further in your ukulele journey and you'll have a fire about playing again, which is really what I think a lot of us needed. We needed to just get back into it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!